Oh my, it's 5:45 in the morning, Thursday, December 12th. I just finished the newspaper and I came out here to look at the bike just to glance at it. I decided that I would pull this air intake gasket manifold off and see what felt like inside the carburetor, and I found this stuff sticking in the carburetor throat. Now it's obviously part of an air filter, but it was up inside. You can see the discoloration. It was actually inside the throat of the carburetor. I think that there's a air filter in there that's just interesting. Coming apart. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, look at that. It's torn in half and sucked into the carburetor. You can see the difference. I'll be darned. That's there's an air filter assembly in here, and that thing goes in it. Well, I'm going to do a test ride on this bike today without this air filter in it. I'll be darned. Okay. Well, what happened is a client came to get the bike yesterday. He took it around the block and he said, no, the mid-range is still bad. So I took it around the block and he's right, the mid-range was bad. Just not good. And the plan was to just take the carburetor off, and this morning I just decided to do this, and how interesting. I have never seen anything like that before. Okay, when it warms up later in the day, I'm going to take it for a test ride.